Welcome to part 4, where we're going to talk about modifying and backfilling compressed data. In version 2.11 and newer, you could insert data into compressed chunks completely transparently. Unique constraints are preserved during the insert operation, and to check if the new data breaks those unique checks, the relevant data is decompressed during the insert operation. You can also update or delete, modifying existing rows in the compressed chunks, and only the necessary data is decompressed. But if filters are not used properly, there is a chance that a large amount of data can be decompressed unnecessarily. So just a heads up on that. Let's talk about backfilling historical data. I touched on this in part 3, the fact that it's more computationally heavy to backfill a large amount of data into compressed chunks. For that reason, we suggest that you decompress and follow a more manual process if you have a large amount of data that you're backfilling into compressed sections of your data. So to recap, backfilling compressed chunks was simplified in version 2.10. It allowed direct insert commands on compressed chunks, and version 2.11 and newer supports backfilling compressed chunks with unique constraints. And I talked about how it decompresses them to check those before insert. Some notes on backfilling specifically: always pause the compression job before starting to backfill to prevent unintended compression. And then there are a couple different methods. You could use the decompress backfill function to try to automate this more, or you can follow the manual steps for more granular control over your backfilling. These are outlined in the graphic here on this page. Just a note, temporary tables used to backfill data only exist for the current session. For frequent backfills, we suggest you use a regular table and allow multiple writers. And then after backfilling is complete, truncate that table to prepare for the next backfill session. That's it on part 4. Thank you. We'll see you again soon.